this video right here with 10 million plus views on it. 8 Japanese habits that will make your life so much easier. Or will they? Can you believe it? Over 10 million people have seen this video. And if you feel like one of those weirdo clean freaks that people have diagnosed you as OCD and you're like, oh my word, is there something wrong with me? Do I need to see a psychiatrist? Do I actually have OCD? My friend, you're gonna feel so good about yourself at the end of this video. And if you don't fit in that category, well, you're just gonna have to let me know how you feel at the end of this video. Oh, and this video is part of a $300 cash giveaway. Not 50, not 100, but 300 to one lucky person. Or I may split it up into 3 $100 giveaways. I'll give you the details a little bit later in this video. Oh, and I will announce the winner or winners in the next couple of weeks on the YouTube community tab here and also on Instagram stories. Number 1, clean your toilet every day. Well, this is number 1 on the list for 8 Japanese habits that will make your life so much better. Let me tell you what I learned from this 10 million viewed video when it comes to cleaning your toilets every day. According to this video, there are some highly successful people that clean their toilets every single day, and they might surprise you. In fact, the founder of Honda, the founder of Panasonic, both of these highly successful entrepreneurs said that cleaning their toilets every day helped them reach that level of success. So how does cleaning your toilet and having success have anything in common with each other? Well, one, if you're cleaning your toilet every day, chances are you tend to be a bit of an overachiever. Yes, I would relate on that one. You likely have heard of feng shui. Well, it's believed that cleaning your toilet every day brings good luck. More success, good luck, heck to the yes. Your mind will be clean and purified and could also increase your fortune. Clean toilet, clean purified mind. Okay. The other reason I clean the toilet every day is because half the time my boys forget to flush the toilet, especially downstairs. Just the other day I found a number 2 sitting in the toilet that had probably been sitting there for, I don't know, a couple days because I didn't clean that one downstairs. I would be mortified if someone came over to my house and I said, oh yeah, you can go ahead and use the downstairs bathroom, and they open up the toilet and they're like, ooh, embarrassing. And fun fact, did you know that Japan has a toilet god? What? What? Really? And this toilet god is said to bring you success. It's also believed that cleaning your toilet makes you humble. Yes, I can agree with that. You're literally cleaning, beep. I mean, I've wiped 4 butts because I have 4 children, so poop is like nothing to me at this point. But I do agree, cleaning a toilet definitely humbles you. There's a popular company in Japan called Yellow Hat, and the founder of this company has been cleaning toilets for 53 years. That's longer than I've been alive. And he says that everyone becomes humble when they clean toilets. So I guess if you're just needing a good piece of humble pie in your life, cleaning the toilet is where it's at. So if you are willing to clean a toilet first thing in the morning, man, you have set your day up for success. Not only are you more humble, you're gonna be more successful. You're gonna notice more things around your house that you likely need to clean, although you may not want to notice more things that need to be cleaned around your house, but it's just a natural consequence, I guess. So give it a whirl, clean your toilet every morning, and let us know in that comment section below how it goes. And if you are a daily toilet cleaner, high five to my fellow neurotic clean freaks out there. I am with you. And you better believe I would be happy to use your toilet. I want to thank today's sponsor of this video, You Like Air 10 IPL hair removal device. This really beautiful 2-card and some jewels. So this is gonna be a gift that's not only great for you, but anyone in your life, really. Let me show you. What's a problem that we all can relate to? Body hair. It's time consuming to remove, it's annoying, it's scratchy under your pants if you haven't shaved your legs, or maybe it's summertime and you wanna go outside but you're like, I look like a monster down there. The Air 10 Super Hair Removal Mode delivers 4 consecutive flashes at once, emitting a higher energy output capable of tackling even those tough spots like bikini and armpit areas. The Air 10 comes with dual lights. This means double efficiency for quicker treatments and better results, with visible long-lasting results in as little as 2 weeks. I've been using You Like Air 10 for a couple of weeks now, and I love it. That's why I'm giving it away as a gift as well. Have you ever tried waxing? Yeah, I did that once and never went back. So if you're worried about pain, don't be. This has got you covered. The Air 10 uses sapphire ice cooling technology to keep things painless, ensuring your skin remains comfortably cool at around 65 degrees Fahrenheit throughout the treatment. You can enjoy your hair removal sessions without a single ouch. It's like having a personal skincare expert. You'll be able to see results in 14 days. Say hello to long-lasting, hair-free skin. And it's FDA approved, so you can use it with confidence. And for extra Black Friday savings, make sure that you use my exclusive discount so that you can save $130 off. Using code JeanULK. That's JeanULK, $130 off. All right, enough about toilet cleaning. Let's move on to number 2. Itadakimasu. And what this means in Japanese is bon appetit. It has to do with the idea of gratitude. Specifically, thank you for meals, thank you for all the good things in your life, thank you for the things that you already have. So something that I'm trying in my life is to express gratitude for each meal that I have and consume. And often it's just the little things in life to be grateful for that bring us so much more joy in our everyday lives. And when you feel grateful, you are more likely to want to give unto other people. Isn't that true? When I'm feeling grateful and happy and my life is fulfilled, I'm like, here you go, here's $300. That is true. But when our hearts are not filled with gratitude, we tend to hold on to things. It's mine, it's me, it's all about me and mine, and people are driving all crazy. I wonder if there's a study out there for people who have road rage and their level of gratitude versus those who do not have any road rage and their level of gratitude. I would bet to imagine that those who have more of a grateful heart have less road rage. I don't know. What do you think? Number 3, organize your shoes. I want to show you 2 pictures. When you see this picture, how does it make you feel? Now take a look at this picture right here. How does this one make you feel? I can tell you right now, when my shoes look like this situation over here, I feel like I can breathe better. Now here's a fun little party trick. I didn't think of this one, but the creator of the video that inspired me to do this did. Hey, do you mind if I use your bathroom? Oh, perfect. That way? Okay, sure. Sounds good. He says at parties or when people come over, he will secretly go around and organize and rearrange their shoes. So clever. Weird, but I like it. I'm actually very interested to try this one. I've never thought about it. It's actually genius in my opinion. Because it does bother me when I go into someone's house and there's just shoes everywhere. Like inside I feel compelled to organize them all nice, but now I have a reason to because, I'm thinking about, Number 4, improve your posture. I am guilty of this and constantly need to work on it. Let's take a look at my normal, typical posture when it comes to working, doing things that I need to at the desk, or even eating a meal. It's quite terrible. Yes, it's really bad. But what if I were to do more of this sort of posture when I'm working at my desk or eating a meal? Well, I'll tell you what, I won't look like one of those 80-year-old women that are like, you know what I mean? They got like this hump in there and they can't straighten their shoulders because they've done this their whole life. Yes, my husband tells me that's what's gonna happen. I know, scary. But the idea behind this is that having improved posture helps you think better. I like that. But retaining my height and thinking more clearly is also awesome. I don't need to do crosswords and word searches and Sudoku, which I don't know how to do, by the way. I just need to have better posture. I'm just kidding. All those things are great as we age. Number 5, put your chair back after using it. I kid you not, one of my biggest pet peeves with my husband is this. He doesn't put the chair back after using it like half of the time. He'll be eating, he pulls the chair out, he'll be sitting at the kitchen counter and doesn't put it back. And I'm like, what are you doing? I go crazy. So after this video, whenever you go into a restaurant, a coffee shop, basically any place that they might have chairs, I want you to notice how many of them are pushed in and how many of them are not. I also have this little motto in my life. Whenever you go somewhere, a guest house, a restaurant, is to leave the space better than when you arrived. So throwing your garbage away, wiping something down if you can, and that also includes pushing your chair in when you're done. So prior to watching this video, I did clean my toilet every day, and I did go around my house and always push in my dining room chairs because my kids always leave them pushed out, and it kind of drives me insane. So now I feel totally justified in what I thought once were neurotic habits. I was just brought up in the wrong culture. I should have been born Japanese. Number 6, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this word right here because I'm gonna just butcher it and I don't wanna do that. Essentially what this means is be happy with what you have. And I do think this is an excellent reminder, especially around the holiday season. You know, you got social media and posting all their trips and fancy things, and then spring break comes up and I'm like, why am I not also on that trip? I'm guilty of this as well. But to also remind yourself that there's probably somebody that's dealing with something way tougher. I have a warm home, I have food to eat, I have healthy children. I mean, we could go on and on about all the little things that we have to be grateful for in our lives. Number 7, okage-sama de. What this means is thanks. I'm good. So the next time someone asks you, hey, how are you? How are you doing? What's up? How's it going? Say thank you. I'm good. What this does is demonstrate your politeness for them asking you, taking time out of their day to say hi, greeting, and acknowledging you, and it projects humility. There's some sort of phrase or quote out there that says, every day may not be good, but there is good in every day. And I assimilate it to this, okage-sama de. And number 8, going to bed early and waking up early. I wake up at 3:45 every day, Monday through Sunday. The earlier I wake up, the more productive I am. You know, those first several hours of the day, I do some work, I do a meditation, I get a workout done, I help get my kids ready for school, I do some more work, shower, yada, 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 the day goes on. And I go to bed around 8:30 or 9. So I actually get a good 7 hours of sleep or so. What happens at the end of the day? You got a couple hours, maybe from 8 to 10, you scroll your phone, you're watching a movie, and if you're anything like me, I'm in my pantry getting snacks and chocolate and Doritos and all the things that I probably don't need to be that late at night. So that's my justification for waking up at 3:45, 3:30 every day. I just get so much more done, and because of that, I feel so much better, and like the productiveness just keeps going and going. Now, I'm not telling you to wake up at 3:30 in the morning, but what I am saying, and based on this video, is that going to bed early and waking up early will have profound beneficial impacts on your life. And my guess is you're gonna feel just a little bit more productive and motivated throughout the rest of your day. Now let's talk about that $300 giveaway. I'm so excited for this one. It's super, super simple. All you need to do is make sure you're subscribed here on YouTube, like this video, leave a comment down below with your favorite emoji, and then head over to Instagram at Andrea Jean Cleaning. I'll link it in the description box below and pin it in the comments section, and DM me something like Happy Holidays, and I'll let you know that you've been entered for $300, or maybe 3 winners, $100 each. Not too shabby. So thumbs up, subscribe here, comment your favorite emoji down below, head over to Instagram, follow, and send me a DM. Happy Holidays. And don't forget to use this code right here so that you can save big for your own You Like Air and a gift for somebody else, $130 off. All right, this video right here is going viral right now on my channel, so if you want to keep the fun going, make sure that you click this one. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.